When I was younger, I was very interested in computers and learning more about them, just how they worked, and I was just fascinated by it. And so when I was in middle school, I decided I wanted to learn how to program so that I could code Discord bots is what I wanted to make. I had a little bit of an idea, like maybe I could get good at this and do it as a career, but I think once I realized that I was spending entire days working on this stuff, that I was like, okay, I think I could do this full time. I had known about Vex for a while, heard that they had a great internship program here. So I reached out and said, hey, I'm interested in the internship, because you absolutely have to gain experience if you want employers to pay any sort of attention to you. I think it shows you what it really is like to be an engineer and how it's different from just learning the concepts and now you have to actually apply them. That's what's going to set you apart from other interns and other candidates, is when you go above and beyond and do things that maybe you weren't taught in class, but you want to learn about them. And these other things that just can help you gain even more experience and be a better asset.